Welcome to our 5th standard science online class, my dear students. I hope that everyone completed the book exercise in lesson 1, 2, 3. Test in a good manner. Today I am going to revise lesson 4, 5, 6 book exercise. Prepare and study this book exercise thoroughly. Tomorrow I will conduct the test for 20 marks in lesson 4, 5, 6 book exercise. So learn well. Let's revise. Dear students, take page number 53 in lesson 4. Objective type questions. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one, matter can change its form from one state to another. Second one, cooling a substance slows down the movement of its particles. Third one, freezing is a type of solidification. Fourth one, when two substances mix together such that they are evenly distributed, a solution is formed. Fifth one, heating a substance can make it expand. Take page number 54. Second Roman, write T for the true and F for the false statement. First question, all matter is made up of small particles. True. Second one, condensation is a type of solidification. False. Third one, oil is a universal solvent. False. Fourth one, breaking of glass is an example of a physical change. True. Fifth one, electric cables appear to hang loosely during winter because of expansion. False. Third Roman, choose the correct option. Which of these is true about matter? Answer D, all of these. Second one, which of these would change water to vapor? Answer A, evaporation. Third one, on heating, the speed of movement of particles. Answer A, increases. Fourth one, in a solution of sugar and water, what is the solute? Answer A, sugar. Fifth one, which of these is an example of a solution in which a gas is dissolved in a liquid? The answer D, carbonated drink. Sixth one, which of these is an example of a chemical change? Answer A, ripening of fruit. Seventh one, heating a substance causes it to. Answer A, expand. Fourth Roman, match the columns. Column A, first one gas, match to column B, C, vapor. Second one, solid, match to column B, D, ice. Third one, cooling, match to column B, E, slows down the movement of particles. Fourth, water, match to column B, A, universal solvent. Fifth one, immiscible, match to column B, B, oil and water. Take page number 55. B, very short answer questions. First one, give two examples of the following. First one, matter, solid, liquid. Second one, miscible liquids. Answer, milk, ink. Third one, immiscible liquids. Answer, oil, water. Fourth one, solid dissolved in liquid. Answer, sugar solution, salt solution. Fifth one, gas dissolved in liquid. Answer, air, carbonated drinks. Second one, give one word for the following. First question, any substance that has mass and occupies space. Answer, matter. Second one, changing of a liquid into a gaseous form. Answer, evaporation. Third one, when two substances mix together such that they are evenly distributed. Answer, solution. Fourth one, two liquids that do not mix completely with each other. Answer, immiscible liquids. Fifth one, a type of change in which no new products are formed. Answer, physical changes. Take lesson 2 book exercise in page number 65. Objective type questions. First Roman, fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one, all rocks are made up of minerals. Second one, the surface of the earth is called the crust. Third one, granite is very hard and is formed by the slow cooling of lava. Fourth one, sedimentary rocks are always formed in layers. Fifth one, metamorphic rocks are formed due to physical and chemical changes in existing rocks. Second Roman, write T for the true and F for the false statement. First question, pumice is a only rock that can float. True. Second one, shale is often used to make kitchen counters and bathroom tiles. False. Third one, gypsum and mica are metallic minerals. False. Fourth one, bauxite is an ore that is rich in aluminium. True. Fifth one, coal and petroleum are forms of sedimentary rocks. True. Third Roman, choose the correct option. First one, which of these is not a layer of the earth? Answer B, gneiss. Take page number 66. Second one, which of these is an igneous rock that is smooth and glassy? Answer B, obsidian. Third one, which of these leads to formation of metamorphic rocks? Answer D, all of these. Fourth one, which of these minerals are used to make building materials? Answer C, gypsum and calcite. Fifth one, which of these materials can be used to make a magnet? Answer A, nickel. Sixth one, which of these is commonly used for flooring? Answer B, marble. Seventh one, which of these can be used to make a magnet? Answer B, iron and nickel. Eighth one, which of these is not a gemstone? Answer D, gold. Fourth Roman, match the columns. In column A, first one gneiss, match to column B, C, metamorphic rock. Second one mica, match to column B, E, non-metallic mineral. Third one magnetite, match to column B, D, metallic mineral. Fourth one conglomerate, match to column B, B, sedimentary rock. Fifth one obsidian, match to column B, A, igneous rocks. B, very short answer questions. First one, give two examples of the following. First one, minerals used as building materials. Answer gypsum, calcite. Second one, ores. Answer iron, bauxite. Third one, precious metals. Answer gold, silver. Fourth one, gemstones. Answer ruby, emeralds. Fifth one, fossil fuels. Answer coal, petroleum. Second, give one word for the following. First one, molten rock found inside the earth. Answer magma. Second one, molten magma that flows out onto the surface of the earth. Answer lava. Third one, rocks that are formed due to physical and chemical changes in older rocks. Answer metamorphic. Fourth one, substances that make up rocks. Answer minerals. Fifth one, a substance that can attract iron. Answer magnet. Take lesson 6 book exercise in page number 79. Objective type questions. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one, an area where a particular animal naturally lives is called its habitat. Next, second one, it is usually very hot during the day and very cold at night in a desert. Third one, oceans are world largest habitat. Fourth one, a snail has a shell to protect its soft body. Fifth one, frogs breathe through their lungs on land. Second Roman, write E for the true and F for the false statement. First one, a forest is a large area that is rich in plants and animals. True. Second one, water is in abundance in a desert. False. Third one, the ocean is a large continuous body of fresh water and covers 2/3 of the earth's surface. False. Fourth one, all animals show the same kind of adaptations which help them to survive in different climates. False. Fifth one, most reptiles have scales that prevent loss of water from their bodies. True. Third Roman, choose the correct option. First one, where do most insects live in the forest? Answer, C, on the forest floor. Second one, which of these is not found in a desert? Answer, D, yak. Third one, which of these live only in water? Answer, A, shrimps. Fourth one, which of these shed their skin periodically and get a new one? B, snakes. Fifth one, which of these helps insects to breathe? Answer, B, sparkles. Sixth one, which of these animals has spines on its body? Answer, A, porcupine. Seventh one, which of these have hollow bones? Answer, A, birds. Eighth one, what is the thick pad in the upper and lower jaw of grass-eating animals known as? Answer, A, dental pad. Fourth Roman, match the columns. Column A, first one bird, match to column B, C, feathers. Second one bear, match to column B, A, fur. Third one snail, match to column B, B, shell. Fourth one crocodile, match to column B, E, scales. Fifth one beetle, match to column B, D, cuticle. B, very short answer question. First one, give two examples of the following. First one, animals that live in caves. Answer, lions, tigers. Second one, animals that have a shell on their body. Answer, snails, tortoise. Third one, animals that have scales on their body. Answer, snakes, lizards. Fourth one, animals that have fins. Fish, dolphins. Fifth one, animals that breathe through holes on their body. Answer, cockroaches, grasshoppers. Next, second, give one word for the following. First one, the mechanism of blending with the surroundings. Answer, camouflage. Second one, special structures through which a fish breathes. Answer, gills. Third one, special structures through which insects breathe. Sparkles. Fourth one, back limbs of an animal, hind limbs. Fifth one, fin-like structures in seals and penguins. Answer, flippers. Thank you, dears.